Hi, Kim Hallen here, and today I would like to share a hack, or it's not even a hack, it's just a management strategy for mud areas on farms that I discovered quite accidentally a few years ago. When I had a tree trimming company here trimming trees on my property, they told me that they would give me a significant discount if they did not have to haul the wood chips off to the dump and pay the fee that they're required for dumping the wood chips, that I could get a significant discount if I let them blow the wood chips somewhere on my property. So just as a test, I had them blow the wood chips, this was about 3 years ago, into this area, which is kind of the dirt loafing holding area on my farm. It's also where the horses eat. Back in the back there is dirt as well. It's their favorite place to sleep. And it gets super muddy when we have a lot of rain because it's just a low area from them living in here for so many years. But what I discovered when they did that 3 years ago was not only did it help build up the dirt material in this paddock as it decomposed over the next few years, but even though these wood chips will get kind of, pushed down into the mud, it creates enough traction that there's no slipping. So this can become a very slippery area for me and the horses. And the wood chips, even when they get kind of ground down into the mud, it still creates enough friction that I don't get stuck with my boots. I don't slip. The horses don't slip. They don't get stuck. It's wonderful. So I made an agreement with the wood chip company, or the wood trimming company, tree trimming company, sorry, that anytime they had a job out in this area and they needed a place to deliver their wood chips for free, that I would take them. And so once or twice a year, I get a truckload of these wood chips and I add them to this area. And you can see it's not big, it's not enough to cover my whole area, but the areas that are walked on the most by me and the horses, it's enough to fill that in. And I don't have a tractor, so you can hear me breathing hard. I've been doing this with a wheelbarrow for the last couple days, and just in time for me because Tropical Storm Debbie is coming and we're expected to get anywhere from 10 to 30 inches of rain here over the next 4 or 5 days. So this is going to be a real test for it, but if you do it thick enough, which I'm doing it pretty thick here, it won't float away, and as the horses walk on it, it will get ground down in, but we won't be slipping and slogging, and it won't be standing water because the wood chips absorb a lot of water themselves, and they break down over time, and it just replenishes the dirt matter here in this area. And again, this is a free mud management strategy. Now, you do want to be sure that you know what kind of trees they're trimming, because there are some trees that are toxic. This is mostly oak and pine in this area, and you can ask the tree trimmers or tell them what kind of tree you can have and can't have. But I'll be honest with you, my horses have never made any attempt to eat any of this. They sniff it and they paw at it sometimes, but they always have free choice hay and grass, so they've never tried to eat any of this. But you do want to be conscious about that if you have horses that might be prone to eat it, to just be careful what kind you're putting down. But just wanted to share this free strategy, and it's a win for us, the farm owners, and win for the tree trimming companies as well, because it saves them some money. So there you go.